Are you a faceless creator looking for high-quality narration without hiring voice actors? If so, ElevenLabs might just be your solution. If you're a faceless creator looking to add natural-sounding audio to your YouTube videos without hiring voice actors, ElevenLabs can be a game-changer. The free plan offers 10,000 credits per month, enough for around 10 minutes of high-quality multilingual audio using the 11v3 model. However, keep in mind that this model isn't real-time, so you'll need to generate your audio in advance. For live content or quick edits, you might have to switch to the faster Flash version 2.5 model, which sacrifices some quality for speed. While the free plan is perfect for experimenting and small projects, it won't work for monetizing your videos due to attribution requirements. ElevenLabs is an AI text-to-speech platform that turns written words into highly realistic audio in over 70 languages. The free plan offers about 10,000 credits per month, equivalent to around 10 minutes of high-quality audio, which covers core tools like text-to-speech and voice design, but lacks a commercial license. You can't monetize the output without paying at least $5 per month for the starter plan. This tier gives you roughly 30,000 credits and allows commercial use, though pricing and features may vary. First, let's dive into the free plan. You get around 10,000 credits per month, which is about 10 minutes of high-quality audio with 11v3 or more with Flash version 2.5. This covers core features like text-to-speech and voice design. But remember, you can't monetize any content created with the free version. It requires attribution to ElevenLabs. Now, for comparison, jump to the entry paid starter tier. For around $5 a month, you unlock commercial use rights and get about 30,000 credits monthly. This plan includes custom voice creation and professional voice cloning, making it ideal for those ready to step up their content game without breaking the bank. The free plan offers a lot of bang for your buck with 10,000 credits per month, enough for about 10 minutes of high-quality multilingual audio. The standout feature is 11v3's expressive voices, which can mimic emotions like laughter and whispering. It supports over 70 languages, making it ideal for creators who need to reach a global audience. Instant voice cloning is also available, allowing you to quickly generate custom voices without the hassle of hiring actors. However, keep in mind that while these features are robust, they come with limitations. You can't monetize your content using this tier and must include attribution. The free plan comes with a significant limitation. You can't legally monetize any content created with ElevenLabs. While it's great for experimenting or creating non-commercial content like personal vlogs, it won't work if you're planning to use the AI voice in paid videos or ads. For instance, even simple background narration in your YouTube channel would require attribution and can't be used for monetization. This means that if you want to make a profit from your content, you'll need to upgrade to one of ElevenLabs' paid plans, starting at around $5 per month. ElevenLabs is perfect for faceless creators like podcasters or YouTubers who need natural-sounding voices in multiple languages but can't afford to hire voice actors. The free plan's 10,000 credits a month are enough for basic narration and experiments, but you'll hit walls when trying to monetize content. Both the free tier requires attribution and forbids commercial use. For those aiming to earn from their videos or audio projects, ElevenLabs' starter plan at around $5 per month is essential, providing both the necessary commercial license and more credits for higher quality output. If you're looking to monetize your YouTube content or need high-quality, expressive audio without attribution, it's time to upgrade to a paid plan. Check out the details and pricing in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more research-driven reviews.